Hi guys, this is Mary from the Mary and Joe channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple mast.
Y'all know who that is.
Joe Clyde watching people feed the fish at the park, at the gazebo. Okay, now we're going to be using my brother LS2400. I've already threaded the bobbin, threaded the machine. Here's our thread. And if you want to see how to sew, how to thread, and how to do the bobbin, I have a great video out there already for you to see that. But today we're ready to sew a simple face mask. I'm going to be using this blue bandana for Joe. I have a 12-inch ruler here. It's the flimsy kind, but it's 12 inches. Pair of scissors. And we have some braided elastic, and it's 1/4 inch. So we're going to cut this out. I'm going to push the sewing machine back just a little bit so I have some cutting space. And I'll try to do this all where you can see me. I'm going to use this bandana because it's already sewed around some of the edges. We want to make it real simple. So the measurements, 6 inch by 9 inch. I'm going to measure it from the bottom because I'm just going to double this so that it's not too much sewing. I also have a black marker, and let's see if I can make this show up to where I'm going to cut. I believe I can see it. Let's find my sharpest scissors. Okay, that's my 9 inch to this way. Now I need to cut 6 inches this way. I think I'll go ahead and just cut that all the way across. That way I don't have to fool with that excess. So let's try to make it easy. Okay. Now, and I'm going to go ahead, since my marking pencil is so dark, I'm going to make me a cut right here at 6 inches. And this is just project for a mask, so it does not have to be rocket science. I just want it to be 6 inches by 9 inches when we get it all cut out. I'm going to turn it on the other side. Just fold it over. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my elastic at this time, y'all. And I'm going to cut my elastic to about 8 inches to reach around my ears. If it's too much, you can cut your next one a little shorter or a little longer. Everybody's ears is not the same place. I'm going to go ahead and measure out my elastic, and then I'm going to get it cut, and we'll see how it fits. I will cut that. You know, we're doing a lot of eyeballing. So we need 2 pieces of that. And let's try to make this a less than 30-minute project. Okay, now what I'm going to do is put this about 1/2 inch in. And you can use pins if you'd like. This sewing machine sews really well over pins. And if that will help you, well, go ahead and put some pins. Be right back. Okay, I'm back with the pins. I got the pin, and I'm going to put it down here just so that I know that it's here. I want to be sure that I'm sewing over this elastic. Okay. I probably should have started from the bottom, but I'm going to go down here, and I want this to be the piece that goes around my ears, so I'll just turn it back around, and I'm going to pin this one down right here, and let's see what we get. Okay, we only have like 3 sides to sew. So I'm going to push all this over here, bring my sewing machine up, and we're going to make our first line, and I hope you can see. It's just a straight line. If you can hold your machine and sew a straight line, you're good to go. Do it about 1/4 inch from the end, snap that down, and we're going. We're sewing. And like I said, I hope our tension is right. And we just want to go all the way down in a straight line. Looks like it's wanting to go. All right, we made that straight line. Cut it. I'm going to take these pins out, because I know that in there I have got my elastic. You got to keep up with those pins, y'all, because you never want to step on them. It's, you know, on the floor. So, look. You turn this over here, and look, you've already got your elastic to go over your ears. Okay? That's on that one side. I don't have to sew on the other side, but I'm going to turn it back over. I just wanted to show you that elastic in there. And we're going to be sewing this side up. And we can do the same thing. See? And I'll lay it flat in here about 1/4 inch. You got to find out where your fold is. See? Lay it flat, find out where your fold is, and there is your elastic. This is wrong side out. And then I'm going to put me a pin right here. And make sure it's sticking in that elastic. Remembering that your brother's sewing machine sews over the pins really good. So there's my elastic under there. I'm going to straighten it out, and then I'm going to come back and about 1/2 inch, lay this under here, get the edges straight, and I'll put me another pin to let me know that I caught that elastic and didn't let it slip and go the other direction. Okay, now you're on your way to sewing down this side. I hope you can see. We're going to sew the other side. My table makes it shake. So I've got the other side sewn. Twist your little knob. Bring your thread out because you don't want it to unthread itself. Take my pins out. Then we have got 3 sides that are sealed. So I turn it all the way over. I've got my ear pieces. They look big now, but we have got to get this edge up here sewn. So what you're gonna do is fold it over. And if you have a iron, you can iron this if you need to, you know, like iron this little edge. But as a seamstress, I get kind of lazy sometimes, so I just use these little stick pins, and I know that my machine goes over them, so I'm going to make me a little 1/4 inch fold on both sides, and I'm going to put them close enough together that I know that they're not coming out. Okay, this shouldn't be that hard to do if you get both ends started. And if you find out that your face is not this wide, or you don't want it this tall to go up under your chin, just shorten it by 1 inch. Now we're gonna go ahead and close this last end, get it up on there, and then just sew a straight line. I know mine looks kind of crooked, but I want it just to be together. Okay, all right. Remember to wind your thread out so that you don't lose that bobbin thread. You sure don't want to lose that bobbin thread, because it's kind of worrisome. You don't want to keep threading that bobbin. And take your pins out. So the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to put about 4 fan folds in here. At least 3. Fan fold them over like that. About a 1/2 inch so that you can sew it. Let's try to make them even. Okay, see, that's a fan fold. And then one more. And that could be kind of close together. Am I at the 15-minute mark yet? And one more fan fold. Look at the other side. Let's see how the other side looks. Okay. If it's better for you to iron it, go ahead and iron it. Okay, and that's our mast, and it looks small, y'all. So now, what you need to do, I turned it over on the other side. These are our ear pieces to go around your ears. They're already sewed in. So, all we need to do now is go right here about 1/4 of an inch. Sew this down. You may have to hold it a little bit. Okay. All right. Cut that. Your thread. Clean up all your thread at loose end. Okay, then we're going to take our pins out and see you got a nice fan fold. Okay, turn around and you're going to go on the other end. You know you got to get up on the material about that 1/4 inch because it's going to be thick right here. Help your needle. Okay, and we're almost at the end. Tucking them under. Okay, so we made it all the way out to the end. Cut our thread. And we're going to take the pins out, trimming all the thread, and this is your mask. And let me put it on. This is my husband's. So, let's see what we've got. Okay. That's just a simple fan fold mask. And it goes down up under your neck. And if these two are too long for him to go around his ears, I'll just shorten them. But that's your mask, y'all. And I hope that you can make you a simple fan fold mask that you can wear anywhere, and they are washable. Subscribe to my channel, like us, give us a thumb up. That thumbs up means a lot. It's like 9 views or so to our channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.